That's a bus. And today is the last day you can get in on the members website for the birthday rate. It's my birthday, and I have a gift for you. If you want to make your business go from part-time, or maybe you're shooting a few weddings, or maybe you haven't even begun your wedding photography journey yet, and you want to make it a full-time career, this is the easiest place to shorten that runway. That you can start and you can learn from all of my mistakes that I've made over the years, and it really does make it just so much faster to get into the industry. The thing that I love about wedding photography specifically is the time freedom it unlocks. It's also very good pay as well. Brides.com says it's a $5,000 average rate for photographers, which is, I think, maybe higher. I feel like maybe their sample audience, I'm gonna say somewhere between $2,000 to $5,000 is more of a realistic number. But if you're making $2,000 a weekend, all of a sudden you're able to hire people to help you out. So you can unlock your time freedom and you can go out and you can travel. You can come to our workshop in Banff. On the members website, you're going to find so much content. Everything's kind of separated into 3 silos on the site. So the first one are the skills required to actually get into the industry, such as off-camera flash for wedding photographers, or something that might be interesting to you is how to pose for introverted people. So if you're an introverted person like myself, and you're just feeling a little bit uncomfortable putting people together and making the pictures, it is a great place to start with that, and it will definitely speed up your journey. Then next, the second silo is all for the content that is going to make your wedding photography business successful as fast as possible. Book More Weddings 2022, Advanced Wedding Photography Marketing, and most of the content is focused on there. And then the third silo is all about how to get paid to travel, how to sell your landscape photography, and really how to use the time that you have created by being your own boss and running your own business to do the things that you want to do. If you want to travel, awesome, you can do that. If you want to spend more time with the kids, that's great too. And you will quickly learn that wedding photography really is an amazing lifestyle that you can unlock if you just put in the hard work now. If you're working for somebody else, every hour that you invest into that goes into someone else's pocket, that your CEO is making more money, they're getting more bonuses. Whereas if you are working for yourself, every hour you're putting into your own business right now means that next year you're gonna make more money and you can continue to reap those rewards for the rest of your career. So it is definitely something that I would consider and get in on that birthday rate before July 14th at midnight. Otherwise, it's gone forever. And you can still get in, but it just costs more money. Also, if you want to take it from $30 to kind of effectively $20 per month, you can actually sign up for the annual rate. So if you sign up for the entire year all at once, you get it basically for $20. Also, there's absolutely no risk to you. 100% money back guarantee. If you join and it's just not for you, send me an email. My email is right here, and I will send you your money back. So there really is no risk for you signing up, giving it a shot, and seeing if it is for you. Here comes our bus back, and with another bus, we've come full circle. And that's all for today. I'll see you again tomorrow from our grizzly bear friend here in Banff, Canada. Don't forget to come to the workshop. I'm Taylor Jackson, and I'll just be standing here until the workshop in September. That's a lie, I have a lot of weddings to photograph. I gotta get home.